Something that's important to know when you're animating in Blender is that your pivot point determines the center at which you're transforming your object. So for this example, I need to scale this pineapple. When it hits the ground, I want it to squish a little bit. I want a little squish there. And if I just switch to scale and squish that body of the pineapple, it's lifting off the ground. I want the pivot point to be at the very bottom of the pineapple. That way it squishes where it normally would when it hits the ground. So how do I move the pivot point from the center to the bottom of that pineapple? Well, it's not too difficult, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need to have your object selected that you want to change the pivot point of, and then you're going to go up to this options box here. There's a little drop down. You're going to hit that and then go to Effect Only Origins. Now, if I switch to my move tool and move it down, you'll see my entire pineapple's not moving, just that pivot point. And I'm going to place it exactly where I want the scaling to happen from. And then when I have it in the spot I like, I'm going to go back up to that options drop down, unselect origins. So now when I make my changes, it'll affect the actual body of the pineapple. And I'm going to now scale it. So perfect. You'll see that now it scales on the right point and it's giving it a much more realistic look. So I hope that helped you guys. I definitely find myself moving the origin points often, and it is something that is key to know. So I'm glad you guys tuned in, and please join me for another tutorial in Blender.